The purpose of a startup school could be to design your own future as an individual, applying the principles of design to design your own future. It could be to solve problems at home, problem at workplace. Use a simple design thinking model to solve the problem where you identify what the problem is. It's more of critical thinking, and you get hold of a team together to brainstorm ideas on finding creative solutions to problems at workplace. It could be also there. A problem solving in a complex world that we are living in today is itself a challenge.
Online has definitely opened up opportunities like the startup school. With this opportunity, I've got to work with a heterogeneous team, and this has let me understand different perspectives of people from different age groups, from students to teachers and experienced entrepreneurs. Now, there has definitely been some challenges, like agreeing upon a topic because of everyone's different views. But overall, the brainstorming sessions and the different idea shares have definitely opened up my mind to different.
For me, if I was to think of it like what did it do to Zoya, in 2 words, it set in or it's begun the journey of an entrepreneurial mindset. You know, whenever we think of, okay, can you think as parents, when we are asked which entrepreneurs do you think of, we might think of Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates and Elon Musk. But can we rethink and say that a high school student can be an entrepreneur? That rarely happens, right? And I'm not saying that we need entrepreneurs to build billion-dollar tech companies. We need an entrepreneurial mindset, which Indus has launched with the startup school for really thinking of what the real life problems are. And we are encouraging kids to be able to think is what is the problem, teach them many things that we say education cannot. But I think the Indus startup school is like a dream. All that we want as parents for our kids, be future ready, be in a VUCA world. Education may not be enough. You need something more. It's like literally a dream that you all have put together.
About the kind of transformation that we see, I believe collaboration, managing people, I think those were the real piece that we could actually, it was quite reflective in his behavior, in his day-to-day life, in terms of how he is collaborating not only with his peers, but with his juniors, with his teachers, with parent mentors. I think that was a beautiful learning experience.
The startup school is about building life entrepreneurship. And, when we talk about the startup school, the word startup somehow, is synonymous with business. Of course, business competencies are a part of the startup school, but the big idea is to build life entrepreneurship. And in my opinion, the startup school has the power to alter the DNA of a child, which is going to have lifelong impact, right? And the parent was just talking about the deliverables. I think it has the ability to alter the entire human being in the way he is going to or she is going to grow up and become as they go into the real world. So I think that's the impact it's going to have.